Socializing 93. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is commonly observed that when one decides to do a good deed which requires time, energy, and even wealth, they are often put off by others. The first hinderer is the devil, who tries hard to put one off from performing good deeds. The second hinderer is one's inner self, which is accustomed to laziness and greed. The final hinderer is other people. Unfortunately, many of these hinderers are often Muslims who possess weak faith. As their faith is weak, they fail to appreciate the greatness of performing even small good deeds. And their weak faith inclines them towards enjoying worldly pleasures, which directly clashes with doing good deeds. So these people often question why a Muslim is trying to do a good deed, especially those deeds which require time, energy, and wealth. For example, a Muslim might be determined to create a website which shares Islamic knowledge. Others will often put them off by belittling their plan, as they do not value the importance of good deeds. Those who are determined to give charity will be put off by others who possess weak faith. They will attempt to scare them into keeping hold of their wealth in case they face unforeseen financial difficulties. The examples are endless of how people, especially Muslims with weak faith, put off others from doing good deeds through belittling what they desire to do. In cases like this, a Muslim who desires to do something good must choose who they consult wisely. Just like a sick person only consults a doctor, or when someone having car troubles only consults a mechanic, a Muslim must only consult those who possess strong faith. This is the one who learns and acts on the teachings of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Only this person will appreciate the importance of small good deeds, and therefore encourage others to do them. One should not consult a person who does not possess Islamic knowledge, as they will only belittle their plan and ultimately put them off from it, even if their intention is not bad. This advice has been indicated in chapter 30 Rum, verse 60.
And let them not disquiet you who are not certain in faith.